Have you ever wondered how people get so rich and wealthy with real estate? So there's actually 4 different ways, and not that many people talk about this. So let me help by showing you. Number 1, we have cash flow. So cash flow refers to investment properties where you're renting it out, and this refers to any additional money that's coming in after paying your monthly loan payment and any other miscellaneous expenses. Number 2, we have appreciation. This is just the amount that the property has gone up in value over time. Number 3, we have loan paydown. So again, with investment rental properties, this is the ability to have your tenant actually paying for your monthly mortgage payment. And then number 4, this is a big one, tax benefits. Income from real estate is taxed at a much lower rate than regular ordinary income. If you know how to play the game, this is the area that wealthy people can save a ton of money on. Remember, it's not how much you make, it's how much you save. For more tips just like this one, check out my website. The link is down below.